Hello, let's see how we can create faceless videos. But first of all, what is faceless video? So faceless videos are videos that we can create for YouTube where we are not going to show our main face. So let's see some examples. For example, here I have the race channel. This has 1.9 million subscribers, and we are seeing a video that was published 1 day ago, and they already have like 242k views. So that's a lot of views for a channel where they are not even showing their face. So for example, if we look at the video, we can see that it's a mix of different videos and different images that they have added, and then they have their own voice talking about the video and explaining everything. So if we look, for example, our other YouTube channels, we can see this AI Explain. They have 261k subscribers, 81 videos, and each video has a lot of views. So for example, we have this one with 152k, 388k, 129k, etc. So they have a lot of views, and if we see the videos, like for example this last video, this is just images that the author of the video has added to the video and then their own voice over it. So here we can see different tweets, different images. The author is explaining the whole concept, and with this video they are getting a lot of views. So this is also a great example of faceless channels, and this could be another channel. So business casual. Here we have a lot of videos with a lot of views. So for example, this one 4.9 millions, this one over 500,000, this one about a stripe, etc. And if we look at the video, so what do we have? So here we have a video, here we have another video, images that move, some other videos, some other images, and always the voiceover of the author explaining and talking about the video. But how we can do this only with AI in 10 minutes or less? So to be able to do this kind of videos in less than 10 minutes or in 10 minutes, I'm going to use this tool, Videotok, and you can find it in videotok.app. So this is the URL of the tool. This is an AI tool that creates Reels, TikTok shorts, and long horizontal videos. So we will just add a text prompt, an idea that we have, and the tool will start to generate everything. So here in the homepage, you can see some examples of videos that have been created. We can do videos that are with real images, real videos, or we can use AI to create the images and everything. So here we have some examples of the tool and everything. So I'm going to explain how to use Videotok. And if I go inside the tool, I will just go do the login. Now I will be inside my user, and here I have all the options to start creating the video. Here below, I can see all the examples of all the videos that I've been creating. So I've created a lot of Formula One content, for example, another kind of videos, etc. But how does this work? So for example, let's say that I want to talk about Sam Altman and OpenAI beginning. So Sam Altman and the OpenAI beginnings, the initial history. No? So I want this topic. Now here I have a lot of options. So for example, the aspect ratio, I could select a vertical video or an horizontal video. So I want to create a long YouTube video, so horizontal for me. Then I have these settings to select a brand. So I have created different brands. I could select any of these brands and it will create the videos like my own brands. I'm not going to show how to create the brands right now. I will do it in another video, but you have this option on the left side. And if you want to create it, just go there. It's very simple. You can upload your own videos or other people videos and then use that brand to create the videos. Then the image style, we can choose between Google Images or AI images. So for me, I'm going to use Google Images, so I want to use real images, and then I will upload my own videos and everything, but I could select also AI images. If I select AI images, then I have different styles that I can choose for the image. So that's quite nice. For example, if you want to create anime content or you want to create stories for kids or horror stories, whatever type of content that you need AI images. So that's also quite nice. but I'm going to use the Google Images. Then for the language, I could select whatever language I want. So here we have a list of languages. This is going to be the language of the script and the language of the voice. So right now I'm going to do it in English. And then for the voice style, so I have my own voice clone, but also we have a lot of different voices that we can use. So also we can check each voice, see how it sounds and everything. So I can select the voice. In this case, I'm going to use Adam US Mail, and then I will click on generate the video. Right now, the AI is going to work for me. So first of all, I will get a script and I can check the script, check if I like it, change things in the script and all of the things. But there is also more power. So for example, let's say that we have some knowledge about Sam Altman and the OpenAI beginnings, or that we want to enter some reference to the topic and everything. What I could do is I could do a search. So I'm going to use perplexity.ai to do this search. And so here it's giving me like some context about it. But for example, if I want to use any source of information, like for example this one, search history of OpenAI, I could just copy this URL, go to Videotok, and enter it where I just enter my text. So I just could paste it, and if I paste my URL, then the AI will use it, and it will have also more context about what I want to create. So here for the script. So we can see that it generated the full script for us, for the full video and everything. We could change it, we could modify it, we could change the words and everything. We can see that the approximately length is 11 minutes. This could change depending on the voice and everything, but it's just an approximate number, so we know it. So we could change the script or a lot of things, but for now I'm going to leave it, so I like it. So for example, this CTI that says, "Thank you for joining us on the exploration of Sam Altman and the early history of OpenAI. If you enjoyed the video, please like and comment." That's super nice. I'm going to keep this script. So I'm just going to accept it. And now I can see that the video is generating for me. I could leave the website or whatever, go to other places, come back, and I will see that my video has been generated after approx 1-2 minutes. So let's wait and see how the video goes. Great, so we can see now that the video has been created because there is this button, open video. So we can click on it and go to the video, and here we will see that our full video has been generated and we are able to modify and change things. So here there is the full video for us with all the images that they have been created, they have been added automatically for us. So here we could have already a working video. So I can just press play, and here my video is playing. So now I could change the speed. So for example, I want to accelerate it a little bit more, and I want to change the style of the captions. So for that, here we have some different captions that we can start using and everything. So here, for example, this one, these other captions. So we have like different captions that we can use. I really like this one from Follow Me Too. I'm going to put it lower. So here, position Y, and then the words per block. So I just want to add like 3 words in every sentence. I could change the color of my captions. So I really like to have my captions like with some kind of yellow. So here it's going to be this yellow for me. And then we have a lot of options to modify our video. So for example, we want to add more images, we want to add more videos and everything. I could go to the captions here tab, and here I could change all the text that appears. So for example, if any caption is wrong or anything, I could change that. Or if I want to add an emoji, maybe I could enter here, add an emoji, and that's it. But if I go to the footage tab here, we will be able to see every image. And let's say, for example, that at the second 5, when it says the early days, I want to add another caption. So I just press here on the plus, and then we have this search bar for images, videos, and GIFs. So for example, here I'm going to look for OpenAI on the second 5. And here we get like different kind of videos for OpenAI, and we can add them. So for example, I'm going to add this video, and here we have the video that it's being added on the second 5. So I could go here, and here we have our full video. that it's playing behind. And we can do that for, let's say that after this another image, it has added at the second 55, I want to add another video about AI or an image or a GIF, whatever. So I could just click here and I will have my other video. So now if I go to the second 55 here, we have our video, and if I click play, then you can see this video that it's being played. So that's awesome. And that's even better that, for example, maybe we want to look for other things. So for example, I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to look Sam Altman OpenAI early days. Let's go to the images and let's save this image. Let's save it. I will go here and let's look for a moment I can add it. For example, here. I can click here at the top where it says upload and just drop my image and it will be added also. So we can add images that we look for in Google, or we can add our own videos. So right now I added an image, but we can add our own videos and everything. And the good thing when we have these images is that you can see that there has some kind of movement. So it's not super static and the images can be moved and the video will be like more entertaining and everything. So we could add our videos, we could add our images, we could add GIFs and everything. So we can edit our captions, and that there is even more. So for example, here I'm going to go to this video that appeared here. So if I go below, searching it here, I have this scene. I have this none button. I can click on it, and here I have some different transitions. So for example, let's say we want a wipe transition. I'm going to go to the second 137, more or less, 134. We can play the video, and here we can see that now we have this wipe transition. So we can add transitions to our images, to our videos, and everything. So that's really useful. And right now we have our video ready. We could add sounds that are not copyrighted. So I could add click here in the no audio. I have different sounds here. I'm going to add the documentary trailer, add the volume a little bit bigger to 40%. And now we have the sound also. Right now my video is ready. So I would just click on export the video and the video will start rendering and I can download it. But I can do more things. So for example, if I go to the published tab, here we have Reels, TikTok, and YouTube. If I click on the generate for YouTube, now it will generate the title, the description, and the hashtags for my video. So I can go to now to YouTube, download my video that it's being rendered, copy the title, copy the description, and copy all the hashtags, and it will be ready. Everything done by the AI. Now we can later modify the images, the videos, and everything. But the AI will create the full video for us, a 10 minutes long video, or a 7, or a 5, or an 11 minutes long video. So that's super useful. Try to create as many faceless channels as possible. The most important thing will be ever the script. So try to modify the script, try to improve it. And if you have a good storytelling and if you add good images, videos, and you choose a good voice, I'm sure you will have success. And also try to find a good niche for faceless YouTube channels. So I hope that this is helpful, and go to videotok.app if you like it, and see you in the next video.